Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest tech reviews in the UK. Today, we've got something truly special for all you mechanical keyboard enthusiasts out there. We're diving into a product that's been making waves in the keyboard community, the white Keycaps 126 keys PBT Japanese Keycaps dye sublimation minimalist XDA keycaps set for Cherry Gator and MX switches mechanical keyboards. This is, without a doubt, one of the best Keychron Keycap sets available in the market right now. Let's start by talking about the appearance and build quality. These keycaps are brought to you by the Keychron store and come in a clean, minimalist white color. The first thing you'll notice is the high-quality PBT keycaps with an anti-grease coating. This coating not only adds to the durability but also keeps these keycaps looking pristine even after heavy use. What really sets these keycaps apart is the advanced dye sublimation technology. The colors are deeply penetrated into each keycap, ensuring they won't fade over time. With a service life of up to 10 years, you can be confident that your keyboard will maintain its sharp and vibrant look. It's not just about durability, it's about enjoying the design on your keys for years to come. Now, let's talk about compatibility. These keycaps are designed to fit perfectly on any gaming keyboard with Cherry MX switches or any newer switches that have a plus sign under your keycaps. That's a wide range of compatibility right there. In fact, these 126 keys PBT keycaps can fit on a variety of keyboard sizes, from 61 keys all the way up to 108 keys. So, whether you have a compact keyboard or a full-sized one, these keycaps have you covered. Moving on to comfort, these keycaps feature the XDA profile. This design provides a larger surface contact area and a more spacious touch area for your fingers. The result? A comfortable and lasting typing experience, even during those marathon typing sessions. Say goodbye to typing fatigue. It's important to note that this product includes only the keycaps. The keyboard shown in the images is for demonstration purposes and is not for sale. So, remember, you're getting a fantastic keycap set, but you'll need to have your keyboard to install them. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your mechanical keyboard with a premium keycap set, the white Keycaps 126 keys PBT Japanese Keycaps dye sublimation minimalist XDA keycap set is an excellent choice. With its high-quality build, advanced dye sublimation, wide compatibility, and comfortable XDA profile, it's a package that's hard to beat. And at just £29.99, it's a steal. So, don't wait too long. Hit that "Buy Now" button and elevate your typing experience today. That's it for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth tech reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts about this product, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.